Yeah. Look at those boys. I did. What it do, people? What's up? Welcome back to Easy's Rebuilds. I'm your host, Easy E. And if you can see, we done got the truck. Well, you can't see nothing yet until you watch this video, but we got the truck upgraded, y'all. We got some new wheels and tires to go on old girl, old boy, or it, whatever you want to call it. Because usually all my cars are girls, don't know why. So, let's go take a look what we working with. So we already got Easy E's Silverado jacked up. Got the Ugga Dugga on there. Already got the locks off. Using this. Whew. I know on the front, on that front side over there, my sensor is missing, but I got another sensor for the brake wear. So I'm gonna get that replaced. But let's grab this tire off real quick. Fresh batteries in the Ugga Dugga. Hard to do this one-handed. Something got caught up in there. Pads looking good. Everything look good back here, except for whatever this is. It's all wrapped around everything. I'm gonna have to cut that, some type of rope, nylon rope. Must have drove over it, but it's inside my, forgot what you call those, but they inside those. It's right there. Got to get that out. Well, I'm gonna cut it out. So let's go take a look at what's about to go on in this place. Hope everything fits all right. So now let's break her on open. Got me a little razor blade here. And packed very nicely. Came in through FedEx. Now watch what I'm doing. I'm gonna cut the tire. Put it. Yeah, they package this very well. Got some Lexan tires, some 275/50 R22. My original tires on my car are 20s. Well, I got it flipped the right way. Got some locks. We go on here. New lug nuts. In black. So we good to go there. These should have the Tpms sensors in them. I just have to program them to the truck. Ooh. They made sure they taped everything down. They got the weights taped down. And this is heavy. And of course it's gonna be heavy for a truck tire. Ooh, look at those beauties. Y'all like those? Black and red. Pretty much all our cars gonna get black and red rims on them eventually. Even my wife's car. That's gonna be the next car. Her 2024 Chevy Equinox. Again, new set of rims next year. So I ain't gonna bore y'all with me getting all this tape off. Y'all can see them right there. Y'all can see them. Get a close look. Y'all see them right there. Now let's go see them on the car. Ooh, now tell me that don't look nice. Going from 20s to 22s. Then eventually, I'm gonna do a lift kit, like a 3.5-inch lift kit. So the tire's gonna come off again. But that'll be sometime in the future. I can put a lift kit on the red Ram first. But somebody said in one of my videos that I talk too much. So we gotta do this 3 times over. So y'all know what time it is.
Don't wanna sleep in, cause I got something to prove. I gotta take what I hate and finally make a move. I think of you and all the shit you don't do. Well, I'ma make hella sure that I don't become you. I have no regrets, yeah, I'll tie up my chest. I'll never forget what it's like to be in debt. Been stabbed in the back bed, I'll show you what happens. Pass me the mic and I'll show you with action. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right, and see life do what you want. So give me all the scars, I'm a human being. Cover them with tattoos so you can't see. Knew it from the start, you had problems with me and the things I could be, I just wish I had seen. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. I feel this pain, you already know. Turn that to gains, let my money show. I've got these things that I can't let go. Watch me turn this life into something that you can never own. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want. So fight and die for the things you know you love. Do what you think is right and see life do what you want.
Yeah, look at those boys. I did attempt to put the brake pad wear sensor back on there. So right now I got a zip tied on this side because I got to change the brake pads. Then put that on there. My brake pads are too worn to put the sensor on there. So now we got to program the tires, the TPS monitoring system. Oh, that's easy. Cut the car to the on position. I don't start it first. Let's see what it say. I don't even say nothing. I don't got no lights on that, but I'm program these. Going until gotta twist them. They go into the settings. It's showing 32, 32, 33, 30, 32, 32, 33, 33. So then you hold the button. And it's gonna say, do you want to? I'm gonna cut it back on. It's gonna say, do you want to relearn? I'm gonna click on yes. Tire learning active. Come to the driver's side first. That's one. This one, then the light lining up, tell you which way to go. Backlight should light up. Tell you this one next. Got this off Amazon, and I got one from the Amazon, one of the bin stores.
I already don't like how high.
My last one over here. And it's done. Now, what I will do at a later time, I will get my diagnostic tool out, and I will change the size of my tires, because now I have 22s instead of 20s. And now the pre-SIs are reading 37, 34, 35, 35, which ain't bad. But I relearned that oil life is 37%, air cabin filter, air filter. See my front pass, you can't tell. My rear pass at 88% because I got no sensor on there. Trailer brakes, engine hours. Go back to my speedo. And that's how that's how you put brand new tires on your car and program them. Whenever you rotate your tires, you want to reprogram them too. Ooh, bugs. I don't like being out with bugs. But I was going to take y'all on a longer journey. A journey of me going to the car wash to wash the truck. She hasn't been washed in months. But that's going to be all for this video. I got done what I need to get done. supposed to rain all weekend, so I can focus on remodeling my bedroom, putting the flooring down, and putting the ceiling fan in, so I can get my bedroom moved back in there because I'm tired of sleeping in the living room. So, if y'all would, hit the thumbs up, leave a comment in the comment section below, share this video with your friends, family, and co-workers. We truly appreciate it. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing to Easy's Rebuilds, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you'll be notified when they release a new video. We have merch not like this at teespring.com. These come from the TikTok shop. We take Cash App donations. Go follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and X. And with all that, stay tuned and stay blessed, people. Deuces!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.